Hi guys, let's make 4 breads in one dough. Welcome to my channel. First is 1 cup lukewarm milk, half cup sugar, and then 1 pack of yeast. Just mix until the yeast bubbles. Then add 3 cups of flour. Add 3/4 cup of cornstarch. Just continue mixing and add also baking powder 1 tablespoon and half teaspoon of salt and 75 grams of butter. Transfer to the surface and add 2 tablespoons of water. This is a heavy dough and you have to knead it very carefully. And then just slice the dough in according to the size you want. Then roll each dough like this, like a ball. And this is all we made. And then you have to prepare for cutting. And you can choose which cut do you like. And we have to, this one is just like in the middle, cut in the middle. And this one also for star bread. Like this. And this is for cut in the side. 4 bread in one dough. This is how it looks when it's done, and enjoy the bread.